Hey everybody, welcome back to Lemon Branch DIY. In the last video, I showed you how to de-ice your driveway after an ice storm so that you could safely get out of your house. Well, once you do get out, this is what you're likely to see. I'm here in Franklin, Tennessee, and this ice storm was one of those slow, sneaky ones. It started out with snow first, then it went to sleet, and then finally to freezing rain. That final layer of ice is what really does all of this damage. Ice doesn't look that heavy, but when it builds up on trees, power lines, and fences, it adds hundreds of pounds of extra weight. And that's why you see so many branches snapped, trees split in half, and in some cases, trees are completely uprooted. I wanted to share this video as a follow-up, just as a reminder of why we take ice storms seriously and why it's so important to be careful when you do head back out afterward. What you're seeing here is real footage from around my town, filmed right after the storm passed through. So a lot of people don't know this, but ice storms are way more damaging to trees than heavy snow. Snow usually will fall off the branches, but the ice, on the other hand, it sticks. And every quarter inch of ice can add several hundred pounds of weight to a mature tree. Even healthy trees fall under this kind of load. A few days after the storm, the sun finally came out and something interesting happened. With the light hitting the remaining ice, the trees didn't look broken anymore, and they looked like glass, almost like crystal trees. Every branch caught the sunlight in a different way, and for a moment, everything felt quiet and still. There was, and still is, a lot of devastation from this storm. Trees lost, damage to homes, and several people are still without power because of downed power lines. And yet, at the same time, there is real beauty in it. And that's kind of the balance of real life. Hard moments, unexpected beauty, and then life slowly starts moving forward again. And speaking of moving forward, right near my house is a brand new In-N-Out that is getting ready to open. This right here is the new In-N-Out and their whole headquarters here in Tennessee. But that right there is the In-N-Out, and then you got to see how cool this is. This is their huge parking lot. This whole thing is their parking lot. You see those right there? Those are two palm trees. They're real palm trees wrapped in burlap for the winter. But this over here is all their parking lot. That right there is going to be where all of the cars for the drive-through, it's going to be lined up car after car after car with orange barrels to kind of keep people in line. It's going to be wild. It's going to be wild. Thank you for watching and sticking around for this one. If you haven't seen the driveway de-icing video yet, I'll link it here, and that video shows how to safely get out after a storm like this without damaging your concrete. And if videos like this are helpful or interesting to you, consider subscribing. This channel is all about practical fixes, real-world situations, and DIY home fixes that save you time and money. So until next time, remember, stay safe out there, and I'll see you on the next video.